Hello family, welcome back to my channel once again. My name is Halabib Official, and guys, wherever you are, much greeting, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It shall depend the time where are you watching this vlog for today. And actually this vlog starts from inside of my house. And guys, I'm going to Border Town to purchase the cement. Yesterday I made a videos, but it's a tough day. We didn't manage to buy some cement because 100% the shop were being closed, hardware, people are not being on business. And today I went to make a research, so we have already opened the hardware. So after this I'm going to Border Town, and it's a special day to me, and I thank God for this far. Yesterday, guys, if you joke around, your life have been gone. But the youths were being fight for the financial bill, and I'm amongst of them, amongst of the youth. But me, guys, I don't mind those crazy scandals, crazy chaos. I can't go there. But yesterday it happened immediately when I'm going to purchase some cement, and I took the Junior to Border Town to make stuff 1, 2, 3. So it happened immediately there, guys, and it's not for the first time. So the first time what been happen, me I'm not going there. So yesterday by the bad lucky, it's happened immediately. I'm in Border Town, but I'm trying to go like this, passing shortcut at the back of the Border Town, and man, I'm qualified. I came to Nyabuhanse, and in case you are new here, guys, please subscribe to my channel, low to 5k subscriber. And if you have a YouTube channel and you are a big YouTuber, you can share these videos, please, guys. That's the best way to support Hello Baby Official, a young upcoming YouTuber, guys. And by now, you see I've already arranged the place where I can. Okay, let me. Sorry, guys, just a minute. I have already arranged the place where I can come and placed some cement, because this is like a small store here. And every day I was talking that the remaining 3 bags of cement, and maybe people think that I'm lying. Guys, me, I'm not lying. And I, to be honest, I swear in God, me, I hate on lying, guys. So this is the remaining 3 bags. This is the first one. Oh my God. Or it is okay. This is the first one, second one, third one. And because I need this to be on top, it's okay. Okay, so I'm confirming whether it's okay. Oh, so it's okay. And the crazy thing, the hen lady let some eggs, guys. Look at this. This is an African chicken, guys. Shh. Oh, I put the camera close and then they do like this. Tap, tap, tap. Alright, guys, so technically let me give you a quick tour to outside. And man, dream come true. If you believe in God, everything shall be possible, guys. And I really appreciate you guys, for those who are watching my videos. You keep comment on positive way, and which is keep motivating me, grinding hard, and I make sure that every day I give you amazing content, guys. So maybe at the same time, when I miss, it's like 2 days, 1 day, but I can't go like 4 days. Even me, I'm not feeling good. So I must put videos, you know. So God can bless people, or God can lift people for those who are working hard and putting some good stuff. Like for me, for example, guys, today I didn't upload videos the whole 1 week, 1 month, and I suspect maybe subscriber can increase views. Things can't happen. Miracle nowadays can't happen. And I remember there's a time my phone was being stolen, and I stayed like 1 month without making videos. Subscriber goes down, views goes down, and the moment I get a new phone, I'm uploading my first videos. Subscribers start increasing views, and I said, "Wow!" So this is a secret about this social media. And guys, by now I take care of my phone, no matter what. And I'm trying to look a black bag, a small one, which I can put on my chest here. I can keep my stuff or instrument like phone, GoPro, power bank, and I'm able maybe to move on. So that is it. Maybe when I'm going to Nairobi, I will look for the leather one, which are very very good, guys. So after this, to be cut this story to be short, this is how I'm arranging place where I can came and place some cement over here. And I remember there's one of my neighbor here. When the moment he saw me with a tuk-tuk that carrying my material, he ran. So I'm going to check him at his home, and then I make an agreement that I'm coming, and then when you see some material, you just go and offload and packed. And I've already have my own polythene paper. It's just over here, and I bought around 2,000 Kenyan money. So after that, I would cover, and then I'll put the iron sheet on top. So let me close the house first, and I'm ready to go. So let me check the time, guys. So it's 14:13 p.m. This is my local time here in Africa, and it's noon. It's almost noon time over here. So let's see. Let's see, guys. Just a minute, guys. All right, so I need to close my house, and I left for some few minutes because even today I think I didn't have my driver. So it's happened. So I closed my house, so like this. That way, and where I'm placing some key, guys, don't mind. This is our secret here. So I closed, and me I don't mind. I can wear these shoes here. I have everywhere shoes, everywhere. But let's go and see what can I do. Man, I'm just love my project, because you can't start things and finish. You must stop for some reason. Auntie Daddy Moyari. Daddy Mukub. So that's my aunt right there. So I'm asking him about my cousin. So no matter what, when I found the driver, when I didn't found, I'm trying to shoot this video alone, and I will manage it, guys. So we're heading this way, in case you're new here, to show you my project, man. Oh, guys. So, and I want to say sorry, because I was promising one of my dad here. He's not my real dad, but when people are under age of you, the age of your dad or your mom, you call dad. So he requested me some work, and I tell him, you just come and work, I'll pay you. And I didn't see him anymore. So maybe just because he have a lot of work to do on his home. So it's always, guys. So in case you're new here, my project, I've already resumed it. And guys, Let me know in the comment section what do you think about this video. And today it's a manganyo surprise. It's a banganyo. We call banganyo or manganyo, bangana or whichever the case, guys. So I don't want to disturb you, so I'm making my cape. Wow, I'm making some crazy. You know, when I'm in primary school, I'm trying to be a comedian. Do you like this? Sorry guys, don't mind on that. And in case you are new here, go and check my short videos. You find how I done some comedies videos and people start laughing, and that's the moment I gain subscriber, I gain so many fans, you know. So I'm trying maybe to mentor people. If you want to become a young YouTuber, just start with short videos, and then you put the long video like 9 hours, 9 minutes, 10, 15, and you're good to go. You're ready to go, you know. So that's the way I'm starting. And at the same time, I thank God Dave June mentored me a lot and keep supporting me up to now. And the rest of YouTuber, give me some shout out. I can't hide anymore. So I don't want to waste time to measure some YouTubers here. And in case you're new here, subscribe. That is the best way to support Hello Baby Official. And today's videos, it's all about huge progress or transformation to my project. I have already resumed, and I thank God, because you must have all material that are needed and you're able to start. The way I'm starting digging the toilet and I finish. I think I'm passing to Nyabohansi. So after this, tomorrow morning, I'll take the stuff. I'll finish making blocks, like, let me say 70 of them remaining. That's around three bags. It's enough that I was remaining inside the house. So I finished making blocks. At the same time, people are squeezing the sand, putting on other side. So the reason why I squeeze the sand from there to another point, or from point A to point B, it's because those sand are very powerful. When you come back to your house and then you arrange I'm just saying, you put the hardcore and you come out on that muram or red soil. So it was very, very powerful. And I use money to dig the toilet, and I get some resources. I can't misleading any resources, guys, because I was working at my uncle's construction, and I know everything. There's a time they need those muram road, and he bought that around. It's so expensive. So me, I'm just kept there. Maybe it's 10 years, it can stay there. All right, no one who can touch it. So let's go to Border Town, and man, it's sunny day, but I'm trying to manage to go. And when I'm saying to go, I mean I'm ready to go, guys. So stay tuned. No matter what, when I get my driver or not yet, I can vlog a little bit and you see where I'm heading to. So I don't want maybe to blog things, to say, oh, whoa, blah, blah, blah. No, I don't want to drama on my videos. Please, guys. So stay tuned, and I hope you'll enjoy today's vlog. It's an amazing one, guys. Woo, happy man. And now this, look at my stomach, guys. Huge. Let me press. Look, guys. So I'm chubby. I thank God, because when I watch my current video or my old videos, and I just like, oh man, God uplift people. For those people who are working hard, God uplift them. And man, I'm just like, I can shed tears, because my life have been transformed. You know, when God uplifts you and you get something, there's no need maybe to say, oh, God uplift people who have tall building, big houses, or have some big machine. Never. And I'm saying this, the moment you have a small coin, thank God. And when you thank God, man, you expand your mind. But when you want to have a lot of income, a lot of sources of income, a lot of money, man, your day in this world are very, very short. But when you have a small one, thank God. That's the best way. Maybe you can climb the ladder and go higher, 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 high. You start low, come this way, this way, this way, this way, and then you go. So guys, I was creating some story for you, and maybe when you came from work or from job, anywhere, just sit down, enjoy my vlog, and comment positive comment here, and I'm able to reply, guys. Always. So let's go. So let's go, guys. This is my motorbike over here, and I want to press some key here. I left on my pocket, but it's okay. Here's that's dusty, or that I mean dry season have a lot of dust, you can see. So I can't touch my motorbike maybe until when it's raining, guys. There's a time I was making jokes. I was making jokes, not on videos. Alright guys, stay tuned, man. So guys, here you go. So I'm heading to Border Town. I didn't manage to have a driver, so I'm driving alone here, guys. Wow. So it's slowly, guys. Wow, nice house. One day, man. Wow. And I think today, Border Town, it's okay. So maybe I can press here. So I think today, Border Town, it's okay, and all stuff, guys. So there are no incidents happen here or protest. So yesterday you can't see any vehicle passing here, but today you see some vehicles passing here, going that way. This vehicle. Ooh, beautiful scenery, beautiful house. Wow, man. I'm real shocked, but my time is coming. Man, I'm real shocked, but my time is coming. Trust me. Wow. Okay, so let's go. In case you're new here, this is what we call Border Town. Oh my God, they pass on dump site. Ooh. Smelling bad. Wow. So this is how Border Town looks. I'm driving so slowly. What am I over here? Woo. Wow. In case you're new here, that's tractor. In case you're new here, this is what we call Border Town, and this is a border controller here. So when you have illegal stuff, that vehicle can just run you at the back. Wow, kids are going to school, students, I mean, man, let's go. Wow, where are these? And at the far end, we have a police station. Yesterday was a tough day here, over here. That's the Kenya police station in Spain. Right, so me, I'm just driving slowly. So in case you're new here, I'm in Border Town right now, and sorry guys, you have too much of sun. Wow. Let's go. When my time allowed, I can go outside anytime, but for now, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Woo. Hey. So it's slowly. Wow. 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 Yeah. Wow. So I'm just here guys on this hardware we call Manchester. So we need 10 bags of cement. And, guys, let me know in the comment section what you think about this video, because I'm just get some iron sheets here. Every stuff. I'm just these are just like a display here. Wow guys. The cement is over there. Hi. Na ile pipe ulisemaje? Ile pipe ya choo ya yellow.
Ile heavy gate.
Ile sijui ndo chim sijui ndo nini.
Hiyo si ni 1500.
Hey. Okay, nipe risiti ni wapi watu nikuja kukuletea. Yes, nice. This is my receipt over here. Right. It's here, and we escort my friends material, and then we came for mine. What I got a turn. That's too far from the bottom. Look at the guys. I left my motorbike there. So, where you are going? Hey, it's a crazy thing over here. So you want to drop the material for another people, then you came for mine. Jamani, nimechoka. We sold here groundnut. Muslim lady guys. Yang aku mati apa isra makan. Hey. Guys, in case you are new here, this is called Bora Town. Wow. Hey. Tourist vehicle. Wow. They're taking photography here. Hey. At the back you can see the tourist vehicle. Oh guys, business everywhere. Alongside the road. Wow. It's a busy town here. Hey. Wow. Police station there. Hey. Oh my god. Businesswoman here sold pineapple and watermelon, guys. Hey. We're heading this way. So that's the road going to my home, guys. Hey. Over here. It's a GK. GK police. Follow me. Follow me on Instagram, guys. Hello Baby Official. Hey, a tall building. It's very clean, guys. Wow. are bumps, guys. Well, guys, so it is what it is, guys. You are here, guys. We go. My driver here. Hey, guys, welding are going on there. Hey. This road going to Taraguiti Market or Center. So guys, I'll try on my videos, and you never know where I'm heading to. I'm heading to Taraguiti Center, guys. Wow. Hey, this is the real boss here, called Sungura. Wow, guys. And construction has been going like 1 year, 2 years. Hey. This is banana plantation here. Guys, technically, people in our village here, 100% are farmers, businessmen, or in other way, business. This is the state of Taraguiti, estate, and they are in large number. There's a church called Kingdom Hall Jehovah Witness. Yeah. They're making here some chairs. Every corner you have another church here. Alpha invented. Wow. At the far end, upcoming top building, guys. Yeah, there, guys. Hey, now people are rich, guys. Look at this side. Look at this side. Hey. Wow. So I'm heading where it's high. Called Taraguiti, guys. Look at this. Hey. They are making bricks here, bricks industry. But there, guys, at the back we have iron sheet. Don't mind. So we deliver and then we pick my cement back home. Na hari tuku yeah. These are chief camp here. So we called Kohego Chief Camp over here. Man, me I don't care no matter what. I must show you everything. You know? Wow. Follow me on Instagram, man. Wow. But guys, these iron sheets are not mine, so we delivered for other people, and then we go back and take my cement. Nice house there. Woo. All my mama dream can look like that over there. Wow. And no city. Yeah, get my camera. You can see. Hey. Ooh. That's a huge bump. We have on a highway here, Way Bridge. I mean, guys, sorry. We have a Way Bridge here. We call Kiboy Way Bridge over here. Man, me no matter what the maps showing, there's a Way Bridge here. Instead of going to Kisumu, we use this one here. Yeah? Nenda kuisiyo ron.
Rancho ta kongare.
Karena kamu FB man. TikTok. So guys, I'm telling my friend here, YouTube is like TikTok, FB, you know. So it's a matter of put yourself at working all stuff. Always. This is Tarakweti over here. Hey, everywhere is bumps. Let's go. Yeah. Wow. Hey guys, look at that saloon car, guys. Look like a Lamborghini, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. We are heading this way. Oh my god. Hey. Hey. We are heading this way. Hello. Yeah. Turn reverse. So just over here, guys. So guys, this is my classmate here. Fanya kazi waone vile unafanya kazi. Yes, everywhere is construction. This is the mixture of balance stone and sand and everything. Tata huri ando. Yeah.
Oi, acha nicheke. Kana ngasiko boruwe naye.
Guys, it's time to go to pick my material and then we hit back home, man. So we're in Tabora town. So I'm on the new place called Tarakweti Estate. I will link on these videos, guys. Alright guys, because of time, so I left that guy with a receipt and to pack all stuff pack all my cement, and so I mean the cements are back because they were delivering some overloading some iron sheet and steel back. So me, I left that guy the receipt and I told him you came with my material, so I'm going to wait him home and all stuff, man. Wow. So I'm going back home. But you see, I make everything. I'm paying money, how you see it, all stuff. So yeah, man. That house one day. Yangu ina. Ndio lakini nafanya vitu. So guys, I'm going back home to wait my material and I'm so tired, guys. Wow. And right now students are going back to school, so the halftime have already gone. Wow. Hey, nice chair, guys. Look at this. Wow. So here I'm going. So that's a hawkers. Beautiful house, guys. Look at this. Hey. Wow. So I'm changing the route. I'm going to the Bohanse, and I want to make 1, 2, 3, and then I go back home. So I need to have money to pay the guy who overloading my cement. So let's go. And let me know in the comment section what you think about my videos. Kindly give a like, comment, share. That is the best way to support the Lobeko official, guys. Wow, guys. And in case you're new here, subscribe. Wow, guys. Upcoming nice restaurant over here. Maybe 2025. Okay. Over here. So here is Nyabohanse, a village to the world. And in case you are new here, this is what we're calling Nyabohanse. It's a small center, guys. Yeah. Wow. So let's go. Car wash over here. And we have 3 of them. That's the first one. We have the second one here. And last 3 here, guys. Wow. Wow, guys. So it's early morning here, and I woke up in the morning from my house there, and that's my bedroom. So let me cross my brother's bedroom here. You know, so, like that way, and then my sister, she have already wake up, and I need to take my sister back to school. So now she have already feeling good and better, so I want to take her to school, guys. When my motorbike have some fuel, I must escort her because it's far from here. And my sister's there, you can see it's waiting me. Njoo. So njoo is a Swahili word which means come here. And say hello.
Hello.
Yes. Say hello, mom.
Hello, Mom.
Yes. Alright, so my sister, she has a friend from abroad, and not only one, technically 100%. She had friends more than me, and at the same time I saw in the comment, just greet my baby sister. And guys, I must feature her on videos and greeting you. So I'm trying to train her some words, maybe to say hello, and maybe things like good morning. So maybe like 2 years she'll not able to talk with you. And there's a time, trust me, there's a time when she know how to speak or to speak. I shall give her some phone and contact one and just talk with my sister. But not nowadays, but let's give her some time. So she have some special bag and book, and I need to buy her some rubber and all stuff. In lower classes, you must be every time drawing, and like for example, yesterday night she was having a workbook. She was working like she was doing an homework for but on itself, and he bring me. I was sitting inside my house here, and it was night. So she told me, my brother, look the way I'm doing this. Am I right? And then I look. I said, wow, you're okay. And the funny thing, because she was at the same stream with my mother, and I think that she was my mother help her, and I test her on that workbook. So I written some 3 questions of mathematics, and then to test her mind. And guys, imagine both of around 4. She make a mistake of 1, but the rest she got right. So I'm telling her, bring the book to see. And guys, me, I'm not the guy who blagging things, guys. I must showing you the exact result and what is happening, no matter what. So this is the working book. And so in case you're new here, my sister is calling Mata Nyabon. So this is her workbook. Every day her teacher give her assignment to see, and she was doing good, you see. Guys, let me show you for yesterday. So look, nanadi kumaki hapa, mwiko wapi? Yes, these teachers marked here, and this is yesterday assignment, guys, for mathematics, and she get better. So at the back, guys, I test her with 4 questions. If I'm not wrong, guys, proof it. So that's question for mathematics, and the first one is 5 plus 3. She count in 0 or another way, so from right to left, and then she get the total 8. 6 plus 4, but he was confused with number 4. At the end, he told me, my brother, what is this? I did is 4, and then he said, I'm so tired. So she written 12 instead of 10. 7 plus 3, 10. 8 plus 1, 9. And then I mark for her, and then I told her, because we are so tired, you wrong one. This is my sister that you see here. Turns out I was get up. Maybe, guys, me, I'm just to be honest, I'm praying for her. She wanna be becoming more clever, guys. The way I'm seeing her, they wanna be very, very more clever, and I want to take her life serious, and should continue and finish until his study, guys, or her study until the end, no matter what, guys. Because the way I'm seeing her, man. Story for another day. Let's take her to school, guys. Stay tuned. Guys, that's my sister. So it's our time to leave here, and I hope you wanna enjoy this vlog for today. But more amazing videos coming, and I'm trying to escort my sister to school, and it's far from here. So the moment I have my fuel on this motorbike here, I must take her to school and all stuff, man. So let's go, man. Wow. So I hope you want to enjoy this vlog, and in case you're new on these videos, kindly, guys, subscribe. And I want to repeat this in case you're new here. and you watch this video and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. That is the best way to support Hello Baby Official here. And I'm just come on this small humble family here, and I thank God to be alive and to have family like this. In other way, I supported my family 100%. So it's your prayer and energy you put on my videos to watch until the end. Don't skip ads. You comment on positive way, guys. I feel like I'm in other level, but guys, trust me. So let's take my sister to school. So guys, in case you don't know my sister, this is my sister. We have only one sister, so that's the reason why I take her around and I take care of her, you know. So guys, more amazing videos coming. So let's go with my motorbike. We're heading this way. So now guys, we are going. Yeah. We have a corner here. We left the village right now. So we are outside, guys. So I'm going deep. And this is the month of dry season. We have a lot of dust everywhere. But the crazy thing about in our village here, it's a dry season, but you see everywhere is green. Yeah. And we are affected by the dust because of the dry season. Wow. Kenya, I think Africa is a blessed land, and especially in our village here, man, we are so blessed. We have water, but in other side, it's a dry season. Wow, guys, that's the lady who washed my clothes over there, guys. Oh, so let's go. Hey, my boy. Fresh. That's my neighbor. So I'm telling her Niaje. Niaje is like, how are you? You know? So let's go. Let's go. Oh. This is how things they are here. And these are thorn fence on the other side, you know. So let's go. Oh. Wow, beautiful villages here. Hey guys, a bungalow inside there. The rich people. So after this, I want to buy my sisters here some rubber and all stuff. One of our dad tried to bring for us here some rubbers, guys. Nimeshukuru. So utapoteza. Imagine guys, I came to bought my sister rubber, only rubber. Okay. Usipoteze, sawa? Aye. Today is on Wednesday, so Thursday I think, so just yeah. These are my sister Lan and door stuff. Go. Guys, let's say bye bye my sister right now. And I see some kids are coming from the far end, so it's not too late. You see? So guys, stay tuned. More amazing videos coming, and actually today, this video, I'll join with my surprise, guys. Stay tuned. Guys, I'm just here, and guess what? So I'm just here at Uncle Mo's place, and we just vibing together here, guys. Hey, what's up? Hey,
Yeah, man.
yeah.
Leopard. You know, guys, what is taking place here? Leopard, they have been watching there a deep. Now that's the way you see it is not jumping. I've been making it green. Guys, this is Uncle Mo from Kenya. Haro Baby visited me here. Guys, if you have not checked the Haro Baby, is the Haro Baby official here.
I'm just here, guys.
He's just welcoming, I'm just welcoming Haro Baby official in his position here. He's just wanted to see how amazing day is. He just around. Guys, just check how today many things they are here. You may see, Uncle, you have thousands of seats in your home. This one not mine. You know, someone may think you are a very bastard. They say, Uncle, you have a wedding. No wedding here.
No wedding here.
No wedding here. The only thing that here. This is for the church. They are
You
keeping
put a
them.
nice tar.
What nice is that? What? No right here, Haro Baby.
See, I see, Uncle Mo, you said the sun is landed here.
Oh, the solar panel.
Hey.
Oh, the system they are working, but they don't work until morning.
Until morning.
Yan alisema. My system they are there.
Show me the system. How many watts?
They are there.
How many watts?
My system they are up there. You see?
Where's the solar, guys?
Yeah, they are the solar panel. I bought it too. But they are running like the guy who installed them. One is that I think when it reaches 5, light is over. Yeah, man, you can just see my leopard the way he's enjoying here.
And it looks like a leopard.
Yeah, leopard is just enjoying. Guys, you can just see how the day is. People that are still working. They are pambanishaning tafali hapa. They are just carrying bricks as they go on with the job. Yeah, that's the thing taking place here, guys. The lights they are there because our baby is asking me about him as well. Even nowadays, I'm watching a football game here. Today, I invite you, you just come and you watch from my DSTV here. Yeah, man, you can just see how that the day is. Me, I'm just welcoming you back in my place here. Anytime you feel to come, just come.
Yup, man. Here is home.
Yeah. You see trees, they are growing in there, and everything here is mangani because today you see the gate is full open. Anyone just wishing to come can just come because those guys there, you see they are carrying bricks, they are just making job from this person. The other side you are seeing there, it is my goat eating macaracas. If we are running, how do you call this one? If you know, how do you call this one?
I don't know.
They call them macaracas because they are eating things like blackjack, but this is not blackjack.
Yeah, it's...
And my leopard here is also watching God. Nowadays it's big. People that are telling me, kaumbwa kako kanakonda. Kana siku kanakula nyama. Yeah, man, continue watching us. Let me give Haro Baby here special shout out. Give us a subscribe, give a video like, you know, Uncle Jamaica is surprising you with a new vehicle here. A new German machine here. You! It's bringing in for you a heavy camera machine. But I saw you his video saying, this is for Haro Baby.
Yeah, mine, it's a battery and maybe I think charger.
Maybe I got it to German machine. That's just a battery is strong.
Yes.
Guys, me and let me go down here. We shall see you because I'm hearing my tipa.
You're going to the villa?
Yeah.
The church?
Yeah.
Okay, where my friend build get river?
Just go, you check it. Me, I'm going in that church.
So, Uncle Mommy, I'm not invited. I can't go there.
Me, I'm going to church.
Okay.
Ile church, unaona unachenga msalaba pale.
Yes.
Nataka kuona venye nimekuwa mrefu. kama stima imerandi. Unajua amesema stima inaletwa hapa.
Okay.
Sasa
Kama steam inaletwa, you can get power here instead of solar.
Mimi sora yangu mimi siwezi acha. Niache. Ile mimi maneno keneza weka tu stima labda kwa ukuta, lakini ndani ya nyumba sola yangu inanitosha mimi.
Okay.
Yeah man, continue watching, give a video like. We shall see you a few minutes.
Okay, Uncle Mo,
Yeah, thank you.
Guys, in case you're new, go and check Uncle Mo.
Yeah.
He was an entertainer, guys. Alright, so let me pick my stuff here. I'm ready to go. Mr. Leopard, what's up? Hey, wasukume kuna nabaki goro haya. Yes, guys, they try to push from here up to Kongatnam. Alright, nisubiria twende. So I'm telling him to wait me, and then I will try to push the wheelbarrow. Hey, now guys, nowadays I'm coming so chubby. Nachukua sweater. Taking my sweater here. So, because guys, I came early in the morning here. Was escorting my sister to school. Come on. Come on. Kikadoona kimono. Let's go. Okay. There's a camera. A nice bag. Okay, I'm
Come on, boss. Jamaa unaona na beba tatu.
Alright, guys. 20. So, guys, it's our time maybe to go to the border town and make all stuff 1, 2, 3. So, yesterday I was there, but I didn't manage to buy some cement. But I think today I can buy, guys. So, just over here. Let's go. And at the far end, some construction have been going. Congrats, moms there.
Try.
Guys, I'm so hungry and I want to push this. Okay, simama hapa basi nishike kama. Alright. So guys, just a minute. Let me wear my sweater. Okay. Hey. Let's go. When you do like this from now up to evening, it became powerful and more energetic. Guys, you see how strong I am. You pass here.
Yes.
Oh my God. I'm tired. Take control. Alright guys, so we're just here. We use a shortcut. Imagine I lift on with 3. But I heard that I'm so tired. So this is how the beautiful scenery of this compound looks like. Right, guys, this is the perimeter wall, and some vehicles are passing here. Or people. Oh, yes. We're just over here, guys, and the vehicle coming from there, tip heavy machine, because Suzuki. Hey. In our village here, everywhere is construction. Guys, so I'm just here. Other mixing here. Guys, we try to make some mortar here. So I'm to serve this mason here. I have a friend of mine here. This is a mason. Hey.
Ndio hapo sasa alikuwa anapendeka kabisa.
Namara. Say hello. Say hello.
Hello. Hello man. Hello, huyu wa Kenya au wa Tanzania? Wake wako wawili. Kuna huyu wa Tanzania na huyu wa Kenya. Sasa sijajua unaongelea yupi wewe.
Hello.
Huyu wa Kenya. Mimi namfahamu kabisa vizuri. Ni huyu wa Tanzania.
So you take a control of this perimeter here. Guys, I have some memories or flashback years. I was working as a handman for this mason here, and I really love him because of his work and all stuff.
Unaona kile kipande ulirusha pale? Vile viwili.
So this is the second side to build a perimeter wall. I think the first one is over there. Oh guys. So and this outside toilet over here.
Wow.
Sasa leo utamaliza hadi uko chini.
Akipenda taji nguvu za Mwenyezi Mungu na wewe ukiwepo.
Na choo unajua sasa wewe si fundi chuma. Wewe si fundi chuma.
Chuma kufanyeje?
Kufunga kwa choo. Yeah guys, so I'm asking him. So you know you have some metallic mason or steel bar. Those mason who are working for the steel bar and maybe mason for the tiles, ceiling board, painter, mason for the blocks like this one here. So I'm asking him, did you able to know how to make some toilets for the steel bar and all stuff? Unajua kutengeneza nani?
Kila kitu hapa.
Amutalipo kwa choo yangu je kwangu. Mimi kianguka na kushika.
Ni hata wewe.
Ama sikunusuka. I'm telling him if he made a mistake to my toilet. That's a case between me and him. Eti nimeanza kufanya nini? Kujenga.
Kila kitu hapa mambo yako vizuri.
Eti nimeanza kufanya nini? Kujenga.
Anasema hivi.
Mbona uamini? Kwani mimi siwezi jenga?
Sijaongelea habari ya kutoka kwa mimi. Nimesema hivi wewe ndio uamini kwamba watu wanaweza kufanya kazi. Ndio shida hiyo.
Sasa kazi hapo kwa sababu kuja kutoka kazi.
Asi tunamalizia tu hapa.
Tengeneza kwanza.
Tunamaliza hapa. Kazi imeshaisha hapa.
Na nataka ile choo mkuje mafundo wawili siku mbili muijenge ishi.
Uwezekano huko.
Sasa si ni block ni siku mbili. Wewe mtakuja kukwamilia pale. So I'm telling him I'm using blocks to construct my toilet because I need like to spend 2 days the toilet from the foundation, from the bricks, setting of the bricks, it will be over. So I don't want maybe to spend a lot of time, no money, man. Alright, so I see the way they make these things here. Very, very nice. Ila kiba yangu ni kikubwa sana. Ushinda hata hichi.
Hicho ni kidogo.
Kile ni kikubwa mno.
Tofali zimeshaandaliwa.
Tofali zipo karibu 130. 130. Ama ni ndogo. So we have another lesson over here.
Chukua panga kwa gwai. Panga muda bosi.
How are you? Yo. Vipi rafiki? Shwari.
Poa sana. Kile kipande cha kule nje ni hivyo umeandaa?
So guys, I think it's my time to leave here. I'm heading to Border Town and to purchase some cement and all stuff. Oh guys, I see my uncle's jogging there. So this is how perimeter looks like over here. So let me say hi to my uncle and then I will go. Oh guys, over here. Hey. All shall be good. Guys, welcome here. In case you're new here. And kindly subscribe. Not 5k subscribers. Guys, so let me help my uncle to wipe some car here. Hey. Hiyo ni job yangu. Acheni panguzi. Tani kupanguzie. Say hello to my people. And then this is my work.
Mom!
Okay. Sasa kuna vumbi.
Mom!
Oh guys. Oh, let me wipe because you have a lot of dust here. Oh guys, this is my work over here. What else to do? This is a baby car here. The baby car. So right now we have a lot of dust here, and every time the machine must be very clean. Happy moment, guys. Wow. So kindly give a video a like and also subscribe, guys. Wow guys, so I hope it's clean by now. So maybe it will left urgently, and let's have dust here. This is a wiper. Then this, open this first. And followed by this. This is the mirror over here. Oh guys, clean here. Yeah man, I feel like I'm in control, guys, over here. Yeah. Wow. Well, guys, and this is a handbrake. This is parking, and already the car is parking. So this is the parking, reverse, neutral, drive. I know. And then here you have brake and maybe accelerate. This is the key here. So you turn like this, and it's okay. Nice. So let me clean here, and I think it's already cleaned. Well, guys, give a video a like. Guys, this chapati. So this is my brother. So he came for the lunch time. So he enjoy here. Hey, Mora, Mora, say hello.
Hello.
Big celebration here. Hey, Madam Speaker. Babe.
Poa.
Umetoka shule. Alright, guys. Alright, guys. So let me have some chapati for my lunch time, and because the time was so fixed, I could not manage to go to Border Town. But after this, I'll go to Border Town right now. So I need to take something. So since morning I didn't take anything, so I want to look for the chapati and all stuff. Okay, I need to wash my hand before I take my lunch here. So this is where my mama kept water and all stuff. Oh, guys. So hygiene, guys. Hygiene are very important. You must wash your hand with detergent, whether it's a soap or a liquid soap, and then so I need to wash my hand over here with the soap. Just a minute, guys, for interruption, because and then I will rinse. You see the way the water was very, very, very dirty, guys. So then I pour there, and then I need to rinse my hand and all stuff. I'm just struggle here, guys. So I rinse for the neck. Right, guys. There is a plate, guys. I left too much here. So take this plate and a cup. This one. Guys, there is a time, and I want to show you, maybe in case you're new here, this is how a small kitchen looks like. And this is a pot. So wow, my mama cook here chapati, you see, unga safi, and this is the pan over here. This is how a kitchen looks like, and I really appreciate. I love the village lifestyle, man. So it's not too much expensive. So to take my lunch, guys. This is my mama house here. You see, yeah, I can't hide anything here. So I'm showing you everything. You see the way my mama arrange. Wow, guys, this is the chairs. You have a lot of chairs inside here. Maybe when you pay a visitor, For example, today, Hello Baby have a party or a party, guys. When I have a lot of friends, you can chill inside here and do 1, 2, 3. Oh, guys. Yeah. So let me have chapati here. Hey. I remember my mother told me, hey, I'll take only 3. Hey, guys, it is so hot. Yeah, that's enough for me. And if you remember yesterday, I was taking rice. Imagine, rice. So because guys, nowadays I really appreciate you and all stuff, man. Nowadays our family change diet, and I think the crate of eggs that I bought, guys, they have already finished, and I will add more soon. So this is my lunch here. This is my shoes, guys. Don't mind on that. Oh, it's sunny here, but it is what it is, guys. So I'm going here. This is my house, guys. So in our traditional culture, can't allow when you are mature enough, you must have your own house, and you take food inside your house, So here, wow, guys, see the way I'm arranging things. Imagine, yeah, there's some flowers here, stand, TV. Oh man, look at this. Hey, for the decoration. Wow, guys. Hey, hello baby. All the time, guys, I'm very, very happy. Hey, yeah, technically, guys, 24 hours, You think that I'm joking, but it's serious. Yeah. Guys, and I'm feel so hungry like a goat. So hungry. So hungry. Oh, guys, so this African chapati, and we have pancake. So this we call chapati, and pancake is the mixture maybe of land, eggs, whatever. But if I guess this one is a pancake. So guys, in case you're new here, welcome to today's lunch, guys. This is my lunch time, man. Oh my god. The chapati is going. Ah. Alright, guys, after finish taking my lunch, I'm gonna head to Border Town to purchase cement, because I think yesterday we have a protest. People are fighting or demonstration of financial of the bill, or bill financial. So even tomorrow I think we have the protest, So like yesterday, guys, by God willing, trust me, one, after I myself left in Border Town, I used the shortcut at the back of the Border Town until I came back home. And as I was watching TikTok and FB, one guy from Border Town, he was a boy like 20 years to 19 there, were being shot by the police officer. And Guys, yesterday it was a serious matter. I'm telling you, and I saw on the comment section, people commented that, hello baby, you take that a shooting gun, or we call it a bomb gun or whatever. So you pretend that the police throw you some those stuff. Guys, it's a serious matter. Yesterday the boy was being killed and he was a student, because yesterday most of them didn't went to school because of that incident or protest in our country, Kenya. So within our border town, I'm just creating this story. If you don't agree, if you think that I'm lying, guys, God forgive me. But it's a serious matter, and as I think, like, by now the boy is in a hospital and in the last final office or in a mortuary, so he will be done for the service. And man, I'm just saying, oh my God, it's happened. But I'm passing my condolences to that boy, because he never knew that he would be a bad day to him, or yeah. So, and because me the only thing that I hate is the scandals. Or when I had some chaos it's happened on the other side, I took action and I ran there. No, me, I can't do that, because yesterday I went to David Jr. I take her to the barber shop to shave and do all stuff, and by God grace or on bad lucky, the protest happened immediately. So there is no way you can run, and people are being demonstrated about financial bill. So we wait, and then when he finished, I was vlogging my videos, and then going around, I see where I can pass, and I came back home, and I thank God I came back in a safe condition, guys. So me, I'm not the guy who I had some chaos and quarrels, I ran there. You might, my friend, you might never know which things come to your body. So me, I'm not saying I'm very clever, but there is some issue when you see that is going on, and it can bring a lot of problem and a lot of maybe losses. Don't go there. So for me, guys, I'm just okay, and after this I'm going to border town, so let me have lunch, guys. Wow, enjoy. Turia. Alright, guys, so I'm going to check my work for today, and this is my motorbike here, and I give people here some work to do, guys, and I will join this video together, and I hope you wanna enjoy my vlog for today, guys. But I also aku tuh mau handy me kono kota me mara heading mar. Mata no na mara paka no mara.
Ano sasa na ka musingi ngora cho gutuko bicho. Kana hanu musingi sasa ngora tu. Musingi hanu guritoke. Hanu.
Tahan haru mupinda kwenda namba.
Moyo. Kana musingi ngurituko ha. Nambo itu. Itu chikomanda mano muno kanye weekend ret chibro kachinda. Ni kana sasa.
Terus ko iso mara paka yo. Tari no mora mgonsu mbaka mara. Kone kikurusi. Yeah, so I'm telling him to remove all red sand, guys, here. Within here. Itu kemana sudah marah? Tahu sih gue. Karena marah apa mau mugara?
Garagahan.
Terus gue switch kan.
Muju. Kebari tu kiru musi.
Hah?
Kebari tu biru musi. Na ambango ka kuhusu kutu.
Simiti.
Maka kali tu ko karata sira kan ni bro. Oke karata sira tu bana mara bagai gambare. Uri chano hem. Mereka sih tak kok permucha.
Guys. So let me know in the comment section what do you think about this video. Kindly give a like, guys. And today it's a sunny day here, but I thank God for this far. And guys, I hope you wanna see this work that I'm doing here. So I'm squeezing this sand or moram here to other side. Mangu kunyara kanya. Kwe kuja kuora muhiri ha. Ha Mungu tunakopera. Tum. So guys, I'm telling him to put this sand as a one direction, not to put every corner, because this I will use maybe to come back the house soon. This one here, so no wastage of the resources, guys, here. Hey. Wow, guys, so this is how we do in our village here. This is how we do, guys. No machine here, and we must use manpower. This is how we do, look, guys, here. Wow, guys.
Tamanya kusiaki mono ncheke. Cheko tatevi.
Wow, guys.
Niko ni gugu. Cheko tatevi. Ukro morobe nyuma hano.
Hey.
O manyenyiro nyuma. Manyenyo na chiko urobroti hano yaro mwana jesho.
Nani amani kef?
Niko ni gure ngana kameyo.
Kef.
Ikana nyari ni.
Wow, and then push it here. Kumvona kana kama nakamba karingi hano fans.
Sinikatinda hile iguru.
So I'm telling him to try side. Tunana sana hata empty. Hano higa. Maragatora hano. Mnaeka huko. So I'm telling him to from there put on the other side here. Wow. Yeah, that. Well, guys, so I was waiting material, so I need to check. Maharaj store. The Henecho China. Yes, so finally it's coming over here. Hey, I was waiting, guys, until like I feel like I'm tired. But I finally. Kwana no nehe, hakuna tembo. Tembo ndo. Nogerea madiri
hata taraya hati di.
Ai kya Mungu.
Inge harana umeba batrumu go go bani ko batero go maro.
Wahiro maro. Yes, guys, he went to Yamaros. There's Ogitiriva.
Ni hiro Ogitiriva no go maro.
Okay. Tasikiri ambayo narahira nyuma. Mane janta hwari.
Mro yake mugisi.
Tasikiri ambe fazi. Kama ni ristiri ana. Sinonera mara.
Sanya hakari ndi tandro.
Nara na rugusimu.
Onyo hote mere gusimu.
Ayo ho mai jan.
Nigo Kenya kuya har.
Haran time pa page.
To kani ko fubi. That's one. So wanacha kitiri pana chino imukiri hamu.
Hey. Nilikuwa nimebeba mzigo mwingi hapo sana. Sio kwa hata ni wote.
Okay.
Sasa onde vere.
Oh. Mwakore vere. Eh? Mwakore vere.
Yuli hanare kendi ngenyi mungu.
Kana bano ateme kona pia hai. Mera. That is 4, 5. That is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right. Whew. Okay, and I give some boys here work, so I think tomorrow morning the work shall be continued, guys. So same time this is my motorbike over here, and I thank God for this far. So I bought 10 bags of cement, and I've already have 3 of them. So that 3 of them, tomorrow morning I shall make some bricks, 100 bricks maybe. I don't want maybe some bricks to be messed up on this construction here, but it's a small construction and need a lot of material. So I bought already wire mesh, steel bar. I'm remaining with timber, and maybe guys, if you want to support on maybe the man of labor. So when I start until I finish, guys. So the motorbike, the tuk-tuk is going, guys. Let me run. Wow, guys. Hey. Ekore pere. Oh, guys. Well, it's come reverse and then going down, guys. That is a huge surprise, guys. Wow, over here. Over here, guys. Big surprise. Oh, guys. Wow, guys, this is my big surprise over here. Right. Eh, birawa ranane waski. Derong ne beregenge. Sincheru. Ora tinane waski. Wow. The struggle to come down. Okay, bye bye guys. So this is my cement here, and guys, this is a big surprise maybe. I wanna be still like this and then to have a thumbnail, guys. Wow, guys, big surprise to my village here. Hey. Oh. Wow, guys. Okay. So I give this my friend here the work permanently. Como? Rabiru sira chikare kegoro. Oh. Chiru chihe jumba chipata michiblo kwichu. Sasa chirantu chirapita mwisho. Jutomaga chekara hausan. Yes, guys, sorry for vernacular language, so I'm just telling him to remove the old stock and then to arrange. This one shall be on top, because when tomorrow morning starts, maybe by God's plan, make some bricks, it could be Chakong. Yeah, this Ndov means elephant company, but it's bamboo cement. And this one here, it's Fundi. Fundi is a Swahili words, means mason, you know, in other way. So guys, as I told you, when I'm starting my project, I stopped like 1 month, not like less than 1 and 2 weeks, 1 month and 2 weeks. But the reason of 1, 2, 3, maybe man for labor material. But I thank God I get things slowly. I'm not harash things, and that's the secret of construction. If you harash, you can't manage it. If you go slow, step by step, until you finish, you gain, man. So, right, that's one, guys. Bag of some new stock. Wambere ni chinyo bazu chirako ngai. Asa chencha uchi bekyo. Gracias. Single to happen.
Mura.
I'm telling him that's his work. Maybe when God allowed me. Oh, my phone is ringing inside. Sorry, guys, I want to pick some power. Sorry. Hello. Ilibidi nikaacha mama huko, kazi ilikuwa mingi.
Sasa uko?
Sasa ndo ndo naenda kufuata simiti.
Ati simiti? Za wapi?
Si za choo.
Choya?
Si choo yangu.
Utarudi saa ngapi?
Sasa sijui ndo nataka nianze kupiga video hapa nyumbani. Ifike kama dakika 30 pande, nataka nipike around 50 minutes hivi.
Ndio mimi leo nasafiri, nilikuwa nataka unipeleke board.
Saa ngapi?
Saa 12:20 hapo ama na nusu. Saa 12:30.
Aya, nitakuwa nimekuja.
Na nusu usichelewe, juu gari natoka 6:45 wameandika.
Sawa. Sasa. Alright, guys, I was talking with my uncle. Don't mind on that. Alright. Okay. So I was talking about no matter what, when maybe I start building my mama dream house. That's my hand man. Oh, the guy who can maybe pack things. I don't want maybe people who cornering. Me, I don't like. For sure, I don't like, man. Right, that's 2 cements, and I think you have 8 outside. So let me see. That is 2, guys. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8. Wow, guys. So thank you so much. I want to end this video here by saying may God bless you. For my family who watching my videos, comment, like, and also if you haven't subscribed here, guys, please subscribe. Love is for free. And guys, if you can support in other way, guys, just do so. No more hide. Me, I'm just like, I'm free-hearted. If you need to support, you can support, and I run my project and to see another maybe program, So construction you can start, and then it can go to like 5 to 6 years without non-stop. Maybe you do this one happen. You finish this one happen. You finish this, it's like but I thank God I need to change my family. I need to change my family background, So guys, stay tuned. Bye, guys.